So going to convert a list to a string. Okay, so I'll start with this one here, converting a string to a list. So to do that, let's just create a string. Let's say sequences AGTC. This is a string. So if I want to convert a string to a list, I'll just use the word list sequences, and this will be converted for me. If I want to assign the entire operation to a variable, okay, to a new variable, then I can just say new lists is equals to lists sequences. So now if I type new lists, I'm going to see it's done here for me nicely. Okay, so this is how we convert strings to lists, because sometimes in our operations, in our activities, some of the activities will demand that the inputs be in the lists objects formats. So we need to convert. So that's why I'm showing you how to convert a string to a list.